Hi, I just got this box from Brambleberry and I wanted to show you what I got. Well, this one I already opened, but not all the way. It's Sandalwood essential oil. It's a small bottle and it's expensive. As most of you know, sandalwood is really expensive. I'm not gonna use it for soap. I'm going to use it for perfumes. So let's see. It smells nice. I had bought a Nature Identical essential oil before, and I should say that it smells different. This smells similar to frankincense, but nicer. Now, it's probably gonna smell different once it's been sitting on the same place for a while. I also got neroli, which I've seen as the ingredient of many lotions and perfumes. Oh, and this one includes a pipette. Interesting. It's also a small, it's a tiny jar. Like, it's the size of my thumb. And this was also very expensive. But considering the size of the bottles, I will say, actually, I did buy a bigger bottle on that one. It smells very clean. It is floral, but it's not as on your face floral. It's like a clean floral. So I'll be doing some combinations with that. I should say that the packaging has improved from Brambleberry. I bought a cherry blossom fragrance oil. This has been reformulated. The bottle that I had before was their old version, and I read on their website that it was reformulated as of early 2018. So I'll be curious to see how this one smells. You know, I can't tell a difference. It smells just as good as the one I used the other day. And this is Rose Absolute, which I also bought to make some perfume blends. It's tiny. It's gonna be a tiny bottle too. And it also includes the pipette. I'm guessing because the bottle doesn't have a dropper, which is probably because it's so tiny. Now let's see. Rose, should smells like rose. Yes, and it does smell just like your classic English rose perfume. But it's subtle. I mean, it's not as strong as fragrance rose. I also bought some Argan Oil to make some conditioner. And let's see what else is in here. Oh yes, I bought a longer mold. I have an 8-inch mold, and this one is a 10-inch. So it should give me a couple more bars of soap. And this is cream of tartar, which I will be using for bath feces or bath bombs. I bought 2. And citric acid, which I will also be using for bath bombs. And that's it. $100 and something worth of stuff. So there you go. Bye.